Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 31, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayon January 31, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 31, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 12 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 32 million pesos for Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 31, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.